Hey, everyone say hi.
Think I might be over my troubles since you came around. Something struck me.
Hey guys, back again to my channel. I know right, been so long time I haven't make vlog again. Jadi hari ini gue lagi ada di rumah nyokap gue di Kanangra, take care of the cat over there. I don't know if you can see it. Soalnya dia lagi pergi holiday buat 5 hari ke suatu tempat sama husbandnya. Jadi gue harus take care semua catnya, dan kebetulan lagi libur juga. Jadi hari ini gue mau ngasih lihat kalian salah satu hobi gue. Ya kalian mungkin tahu itu apa, yang berhubungan dengan acting. Jadi gue bakalan take you guys to somewhere and you will see it later on. Stay tuned. So, gue udah di mobil gue sekarang. Lagi gue panesin dulu mobilnya karena belum gue pakai 1 hari ini. Sambil kita nunggu, I'm sorry, gue udah nggak pernah lagi upload. Thinking to doing it again right now. Soalnya sebenarnya sih apa ya, nggak ada waktu buat ngedit karena kerja sama kadang syuting buat figuran di sini. Tapi apa namanya, ya nggak ada waktu aja sih sebenarnya buat ngedit gitu. Jadi gue stop. Tapi untuk sekarang gue coba buat balik lagi karena one of my friend want to help me to edit my vlog, Veronica. Thank you Veronica. Jadi dia yang bakalan ngeditin video gue semuanya. And don't forget to follow her and pass her Instagram. Jadi dia bilang, how about you vlogging and edit your video, how about like that? So I said like, are you sure? And she said like, yeah, just try it, and then but just send me one of your vlog first, and then I try to edit and then see if you like it or not. But I'm sure I will like it, Veronica. Jadi ya gitu. Jadi sekarang if you remember that I actually posting something about, what do you think guys, should I vlog again? I don't know if you remember that, but I try my best to do everything that you request. Life in Australia, of course, and as me, Tiara, from Indonesia, and English is my second language. But yes, now just enjoy my vlog and we're gonna see you up there. Alright, see ya.
2 hours later.
Jadi gue udah nyampe sekarang ke tempatnya. Udah malam tuh, tadi siang, sekarang malam. I've tell you though, so I'm going to my acting class. Ini my second term. Jadi biasanya kalau misalkan kita sekolah itu suka ada kayak apa sih namanya, kayak term-term gitu namanya kalau di sini. Jadi gue ikutan acting class ini recommend by someone. Awalnya sih gimana ya, gue bilang I feel like they all still teenager. Tapi abis itu lama kelamaan I feel like I like it, you know. Gimana ya bilangnya, kayak gue enjoy gitu, kayak kelasnya tuh enak, gurunya juga sama umurnya sama gue, jadi enak buat ngomongnya. Terus juga enak aja soalnya orang-orangnya juga welcome you gitu. Jadi dari awalnya gue tuh ngerasa aduh bisa nggak ya gue gitu, karena kan udah lama banget nih gue nggak acting class lagi semenjak gue di Indonesia. Terus back again here, terus kayak mau sampai kapan gue ngerasa kayak gak mau continue my dream gitu. Jadi gue tuh decided buat oke, gue mau, I don't care kayak bakalan kayak gimana. I know will be hard because English is my second language, but why I'm not give it a go. So here I am now. So I'm gonna show you my class, and then you're gonna have a look like every day doing in the class with my friend. And yeah, and George and Bridget be me with the cameraman. And then now it's 5:30, which is I promised George to coming a bit early today, but stay tuned guys. Bye bye. Door, lock it, and yep. Ini pertama kali gue vlog, tapi gue gak tahu ngapain. Jadi sorry ya guys, kita random aja, oke? This is my class, I don't know what they're doing. So this is Bridget and this is Josh. They are my coach for my acting class today. So we're gonna having fun today, guys.
We always have fun.
Yes. What is that, Josh?
Conundrum. Sin bin. Sinners. We're all sinners in conundrum.
So we have sin bin. Ini kalau ada orang yang trouble. Tapi dia nggak suka kanangra, jadi terus kanangra di sini. Thank you, happy birthday! Hi!
You have to explain. Everyone has nicknames. They're very good.
Wonka? Willy Wonka?
Wonka.
Before we gonna do our script, we gonna do warm up first.
Just pulled up to the house. Don't feel like getting out. I'ma just lay back and crack this window. I've been doing my best.
Hey, everyone say hi.
When it gets hard, I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home. With that jump on, jealousy, my bad. Get away from me, 'cause I've been working all day. Can I catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep.
That is my firstborn daughter.
Already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl.
Handsome.
Make a better way. Hey, hey. Catch a break. Better way.
Sasha comes in.
Where's the Zoom?
The Zoom is just here, so just playing around.
Okay.
Oh my god. Hello. Introduce your name, guys.
But what's your name?
Tiara.
Oh my god, is that your
older
nickname, Tiara?
What's your name?
My real name is Tiara. Actually, yeah. That's so pretty.
What's your name?
I'm Daisy.
When you like call me back in.
Yeah. So not far away from that camera. It's just natural. So after we practice, now what we're doing?
We are performing them to the class.
Yes. Enjoy the show.
She's gonna do us.
No way.
I'll limp it up. I'm a girl. I love you, Yala. Put a tiara on your head.
Hi, I'm Sally. I'm Angelica. And yeah, we're actors at Top 2 Actor Studio. Yeah.
And who's the best in the world ever?
Josh Lacey.
Check him out.
Yeah.
No press. No.
Whoa, who's that?
That's
Whoa,
Josh
oh my
Lacey.
goodness.
Put it
Woo.
on Sasha Van Den Boogaard.
Sasha.
Sasha. Yeah.
Oh, I can't believe I found these. Glossy sunnies for 4 years. 4 years I lost them. Found them in this jacket.
Oh my god.
4 years.
4 years. 4 years.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
Oh my gosh, oh my gosh.
We're disrupting.
Sorry. Sorry, guys.
Sasha's very serious.
Sorry.
She gets
She
angry.
is.
She gets cranky. What's your name?
Owen.
Sorry?
Oh mate.
Spell it.
OLMATE.
Use it in a sentence, old mate.
I am old mate.
Oh, golden.
My name's Udon.
Use it in a sentence, udon.
I like udon noodles.
Ooh, shaka.
Page. Don't stress, it'll be fun. Everyone's like,
Let's go.
also we can get better at moving, yeah, and not just get stuck at doing self-tapes.
Jealousy, my bad. Get away from me, 'cause I've been working all day. Can I catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey. Already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your.
Hi guys, my camera is actually died. So now we are in the lip sync battle.
Proud. Writing my life in lyrics, do you like the sound? Seeking approval constantly. When it's my truth,
Hey, dollar sign. Okay, one more time for these guys.
We finished our class. Finish for the class today. It's so funny. Finish for the class today. Robbie. Thank you guys for today. Nice one. We done for today. So udah selesai semuanya. And yeah, now I head up home. Oke guys, udah selesai acting kelasnya. Sekarang udah jam 8:12. Gue harus balik lagi ke Kanangra karena gue harus take care of mom cat. Jadi itu kita ngomongin masalah stunt itu kalau di film-film tuh yang dia ngelakuin kayak jam kayak gitu-gitu, pokoknya yang bahaya-bahaya itu dilakuinnya sama stunt, dan kita bakalan ada training buat itu. Jadi we talk about it. And also showreel itu kita butuh banget buat bikin profile kita bagus, sama bikin agency casting director ngelihat acting kita. Jadi kayak cuplikan pendek kita acting, jadi mereka bisa lihat kita bisa acting nangis, bisa acting ketawa, dan you can see nanti gue bakalan you can see here. And also itu showreel pertama gue di acting kelas ini, dan pretty much it's pretty cool karena guru gue juga pengennya gue ngomong pakai bahasa Indonesia, karena gue bisa pakai bahasa Indonesia jadi bisa kelihatan kalau gue bisa ngomong both language, English and Indonesian. So yeah, I gonna talk again because I have to drive now before it's getting late. But thank you for watching my vlog and see you for the next vlog. Thank you. Bye.
You proud.